How you doing so slow? Look. Shalom, Israel. Brother Mark Israel out here with my little man. Out here taking a little bike ride on the first day of the week, Sunday. You know, we just enjoying this good Michigan weather. We got it up in the 80s today, close to it. So, me and little man took advantage of it, and we out here on the bike. So, you know, just encouraging y'all brothers that are fathers, you know what I'm saying, spend some time with your shorty, you know. You don't know how much time we got left. With that being said, Kwam Yashala.